In 2023, I was staring at trading charts completely lost. Living in a small town, dreaming of something bigger, I knew I had to find a way. So, I started trading. Like many beginners, I was overwhelmed by conflicting strategies, endless indicators, and market volatility. Looking back, I wish I could tell my past self what I'm about to share with you. If I had to start over in 2025, there are specific steps I would take, steps that would have saved me years of frustration. Whether you're tired of unpredictable markets, struggling with information overload, or simply looking for a structured way to approach trading, this video is a roadmap. Once I started from scratch myself and didn't believe it was possible. I lost several initial deposits before I understood the key rules of profitable trading. Now, I'm sharing this experience with you. In my community, I share daily insights and help ambitious people like you navigate the trading world. You know where to find the link to the Telegram channel, don't you? And if you're watching this video, it means you're interested in additional income. So, let's start something crucial that many people skip: understanding how the market actually works step by step. Master the basics and trade smarter. When I first started trading, I made the same mistake many beginners do, diving in without a solid grasp of the fundamentals. That's the fast track to frustration and losses. Let's break down the key trading types and, more importantly, which one can get you your goals faster. First on the list, stock trading. Buying shares of companies might sound simple, but it's anything but. You need to analyze company earnings, market sentiment, and economic events that can turn a winning trade into a losing one overnight. For example, even if a company posts record profits, its stock would still drop if overall market trends are bearish. Not exactly a straightforward game. Forex trading as the second option. Forex is the world's largest financial market with over 6.6 trillion traded daily. It operates 24/5 and is heavily influenced by economic factors like interest rates and global news. But here's the challenge. You're always trading currency pairs, meaning you need to understand how two economies interact. If one currency strengthens, another must weaken. That's the game. And then we have binary options trading. Simplicity meets strategy. Now, let's talk about binary options, where things get really interesting. Unlike traditional trading, where profits and losses fluctuate with price movement, binary options offer a clear predefined risk-reward structure. It's a simple yes-no proposition. Will an asset price be above or below specific level at a set time? You know exactly what's at stake before you trade. This streamlined approach doesn't mean it's easy money. Successful traders use strategy, analysis, and risk management. But the ability to trade with controlled risk and clear outcomes is what makes binary options so attractive. We'll dive deeper into binary options as a movement. The final one, commodity trading. Gold, oil, agricultural products. Commodities behave differently than stocks or currencies. Some act as safe haven assets in times of crisis, like gold, while others move with supply and demand shocks, like oil. Understanding these dynamics is key, but this market isn't for everyone. Each trading type has its own risk-reward balance. Some are like slow cooking a meal, gradual but steady, allowing time for flavors to develop, but like a long-term investment strategy. Others are like searing on high heat, fast, intense, and requiring precision, much like high-risk, high-reward trading styles. So, as for binary options, this way is quite simple. You make a prediction. Will the price of an asset rise or fall within a certain time frame? If your prediction is correct, you earn up to 90% profit from the trade. That's why so many people choose this way. Take a look at the results achieved by those who recently joined my community. These people simply took action, and here's their results in just one day. Think this is just another fantasy. That's for you to decide. But remember, time is money, and while you hesitate, others are already making a profit. No matter which path you choose, the key is finding the one that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and lifestyle. Whether you're balancing a full-time job, family commitments, or just looking for a structured way to grow your capital, understanding these basics is the foundation for making smart trading decisions. Before you decide which trading style suits you best, you need to understand the two core approaches that drive all market decisions: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Mastering both gives you a complete view of the market movements, helping you make informed, confident trading decisions no matter which path you take. Think of technical analysis as detective work with charts. You study price action, volume, and indicators to spot trade opportunities. Patterns like support and resistance levels reveal where prices may bounce or reverse. And here's the kicker. When many traders recognize the same pattern, their actions often create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Fundamental analysis, the bigger picture. Fundamental analysis digs into what drives asset values. In Forex, it's central bank policies and economic reports. In stocks, it's company earnings and industry trends. Strong employment data, for example, might boost a currency value, and less inflation concerns determine it. The smartest traders combine both approaches. Technical for timing and fundamentals for direction. Now I know what you're probably thinking. So how do I figure out the most suitable path for me? Let's see that next. You've probably come across countless scammers promising instant millions with no effort. But the truth is, real earnings require knowledge and strategy. That's why I created a Telegram community where experienced traders help beginners avoid mistakes and achieve stable income. It's not a magic button, but a real tool that can allow traders to start increasing their results. We use a powerful market analysis system that enables us to predict asset movements with incredibly high accuracy. This is exactly how the biggest financial companies and banks make money. The only difference? Now, this knowledge is available to us, just normal people. I'll leave all the information below. Choose your path wisely. 3 factors determine the best trading style for you: risk tolerance, available time, and capital. Here's why they're so crucial. Risk tolerance. Can you sleep at night? Trading isn't just about how much money you're willing to risk, it's about how much stress you can handle. If market swings make you anxious, high-speeding trading styles like trading day might not be your best fit. Time commitment. How much can you dedicate? Not everyone has hours to watch charts. If you work full-time, sitting in front of a screen all day isn't an option. This is why binary options can be ideal, where you can trade specific market hours that fit your schedule. Capital. Surviving and learning the curve is not just about how much you can invest, it's about how long you can stay in the game. With limited capital, you need a trading style that minimizes risk exposure. Binary options stand out here because they offer fixed risk per trade. Unlike other forms of trading, you never lose more than you planned. The real challenge is striking the right balance between risk tolerance and time and capital. Imagine you have a high risk tolerance and plenty of capital, but limited time. Scalping or day trading might be unrealistic as they require constant market monitoring. On the other hand, if you have a low risk tolerance but more available time, swing trading or well-planned binary options trades could be a better fit. By understanding where these 3 factors intersect in your life, you'll set yourself up for long-term success rather than short-lived wins. You can also take advantage of the help of the more experienced traders and practice with them. For example, by joining our Telegram channel, you get access to ready-made trading strategies with highly accurate entry points, support from experienced traders, real reports from members who are already making their results, and it's completely free. Because I am personally invested in your success, the more successful traders in our community, the higher the overall profit. It's that simple. So, the choice is yours. Now, let's go back to binary options. Here, you don't need to predict how far a price will move, just whether it will be above or below a certain level at a certain time. For example, will the USDT be above or below in the next hour? The beauty of this approach, you know exactly what to stand to gain or lose before you place a trade. No hidden surprises, no runaway losses. That's why I gravitated toward binary options. It allowed me to trade with confidence and a clear strategy. That said, binary options require discipline. Many traders lose money because they treat it like gambling rather than a structured trading approach. But with the right education and risk management, it's a powerful tool. The biggest game changer: For me, learning from experienced traders who shared their strategies and insights. That's why I'm passionate about building a trading community, because learning from others can fast track your success. If I were starting again in 2025, here's exactly what I would do. Set yourself up for success. 1. Master risk management before trading real money. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. If you have $1,000, that means risking just $10 to $20 per trade. It might seem small, but this discipline keeps you in the game long enough to improve. 2. Keep a trading journal. Record every trade, not just wins and losses, but why you entered the market, conditions, and your emotional state. This helps you spot patterns and refine your strategy. 3. Focus on one market and one strategy first. Trying to trade everything at once is a recipe for failure. Pick one market, learn its nuances, and master one strategy before expanding. Winning in trading isn't about luck or secret formulas. It's about consistency, discipline, and smart decision making. Master market fundamentals. Choose a trading style that fits your goals and lifestyle. Protect your capital with solid risk management. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, just join us. You'll connect with ambitious traders, trading insights, and gain the support you need to succeed. Click the link in the description, and I'll see you inside.